Yo, what up YouTube and the day and night gang? This is your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video. Today's video is going to be extra cool and extra audio because what we have here is the Elgato Wave Panels. I don't know if you can even see it in this video. It's so big. But we're going to be opening up this box and then we're going to check it out a little bit later, so stay tuned. We have our handy dandy knife to open up any box that stands in our way, and as always, shout out to the cousin for giving this to me. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up this wave panel from Elgato. This is going to be super cool, super awesome, super special. It's a little bit different in terms of the unboxing. You're going to see my live reactions while I dig into it. And the reason why I picked this up is because I wanted to put some sound panels on my wall. Just for aesthetic reasons, not because I wanted better audio or anything like that. I just thought it looked cool and I always wanted one of those things, but I didn't want to like glue it down. And what was unique about this Elgato one is that they have a little frame that you can use to put like tape on the wall. And since in the AMPM studios we rent it, we don't want to like damage the walls or anything like that. But this is the front of the box. It says Wave Panels. The top, we just got Wave Panels. It's a basic cardboard box. I'll just do a quick 360. I mean, I'm not going to really show you too much because what's inside is the main point. So what we're going to do is we're going to start cutting and open up all the stuff that's in here, and then we're going to get into the pieces one by one. There's like plastic on everything, and then we'll just slice it open and then get to it.
2 hours later.
Yeah, I just really wanted to get this cool box because, not this box, but just this product because I thought it looked cool in my setup and I wanted my setup to be really snazzy. And I'm also want to get some nano lights too to give it that RGB flare for the background. But for right now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at each of these pieces that we have in here. So we have this little bag, another little bag, another little bag, another little bag, and the instruction book as our first layer. And as we dig deeper, we got a cardboard frame, as well as a little separator. And I think what we have here is the main pieces of it, which is the Elgato sound panels. I got the black, as you can see here. Let me just pull them all out, and then we can get rid of this box. Cool, cool, cool. All right. So this panel is pretty cool because it has this like little funky little design that they came up with, which if you connect it in the right way, it can make a really cool pattern. So like, let me see if I can do it on the fly. Yeah, so if you connect these two here, you can make like a cool little wave, like that, see? And then if you like flip it around, you can make the wave go downwards, which is also pretty cool. So like that. And there's a bunch of cool nifty ways that you can do it. It comes in blue and it comes in black, and so for me, I'm kind of like, I like black. I mean, obviously I probably would, I also like the blue color, but I just think black would just be a little bit more subtle, because if people come over and they check it out, it was like all funky and wild, it'd be kind of crazy. But yeah, so it comes with 6 panels here, as you can see. It's pretty thick that you can place up on your wall, and as you can see, the panels are pretty big actually. They're probably about a foot big, so it covers a lot of square space. So you gotta have to have a pretty decent wall if you want to get this all over your space. It's pretty big. So what we'll do is we'll push that forward right there, slightly out of frame, and we'll just keep opening up these things and check them out. So what we have here is considered the frame for it. So in order to help you mount this onto your wall a little bit better, what you do is you just connect them to each other and you'll create this hexagon shape that you see right here. So let me see if I can do a really quick if I can figure this out in a GIF. It might be a little bit hard to do because I don't have the instructions on me. We typically don't read instructions, but since this product is a little bit unique, you probably want to check it out because this is not like tech. This is like engineering type of things. But here we have the panels right there. Let me dig in deeper. What we have here is the mounting. We have a sticker there. So we'll pull that apart and check out what types of mounts we got. So what we have here is some little command strip adhesives that you can connect it to your wall if you don't want to screw them in. And I think for the AMPM Studios, the reason why we picked this up is because we want to use these instead. And then in this other bag, what we have here is some more frames, so you can connect your pieces together and then put them on the wall. And then right here what we have is the clips, which in turns clips the devices together, or maybe clips the device to the wall, I'm not too sure. But that's pretty much it for this unboxing video, and it's pretty unique. So what I will do right now is I'll put these all together, and then I'm going to mount it on the wall, and then you'll see it in another video in a little bit. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's my command station. I'm missing right here one key light, but I'm going to get one right here to replace, to make it more symmetrical. We got the triple monitors right there. We have the gaming chair. And then right here we have the acoustic panels. I think it's looking pretty sick. Look at that. We mounted to the wall. Looks pretty cool. Signed Marvel vs. Capcom poster, as well as PM right there up at the top in black and white. Yeah, in the next AMPM vlog, I'll go over my new gaming setup, which is pretty sweet.